Hello! So you've received your Advanx Health Saliva Collection Kit? Let's go through what's in your box, how to register your kit, and how to use your kit. In this kit, you'll find a saliva collection tube with a red lid, a funnel, and a blue lid, an instructions sheet, a biohazard bag, and a prepaid shipping envelope for you to send your saliva sample back to us. We'll need to link your saliva sample to your account, so it's important that you register your kit first. Go to the website shown on your box and follow the steps provided. You can find your unique kit ID on your saliva collection tube. To make sure that your saliva sample is viable, it's very important that you don't eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum at least 30 minutes before you provide your saliva sample. First, remove the red lid and be careful not to spill any liquid from the tube. Then, take the funnel and attach it to the tube. Open the funnel lid and make sure you provide the recommended volume of saliva. You will see the words "fill line" on the tube, and you will need to provide enough saliva to reach the line. Any bubbles or foam should be above the fill line. When you are done, carefully unscrew the funnel and replace it with the blue lid. Make sure you screw the lid tightly. Now, gently shake the tube in this motion to mix your saliva with the buffer solution. Then, put the tube into the biohazard bag and seal the bag. Do not remove the pad inside the bag. Next, place the bag inside the padded white envelope. Remove the adhesive strip and seal the envelope shut. Send your saliva sample back to us in the prepaid envelope provided. When we've received your saliva sample, your results should be ready within 2 to 3 weeks. Once your results are ready, you receive an email and you can access your results on our website. Thanks for watching!